Have you ever dreamed of being a super spy? Like
Bond. James Bond.
with all the high-tech gadgets and beautiful women? Well, this tutorial won't help you with the women, and Q would probably faint if he saw my soldering job. But today, we are building a working standalone trajectory analysis and localized kinetic embedding radar, or STALKER for short. It's the ultimate gadget for the man who wants to survive a radioactive wasteland, but has the budget of a Ukrainian scavenger. Let's get into it. For this project, I used an ESP32S3, N16R8, and the RD-03D mmWave radar for human detection. Let's take a closer look at the RD-03D radar module. If you look closely, you'll see there is a standard data line connector and a row where header pins can be soldered on. My module didn't include the pigtail connector, so I had to solder the header pins directly to the board. Here is the schematic to wire the two boards together correctly. First, connect the red 5V DuPont wire from the radar module to the 5V GPIO pin of the ESP32. Next, connect the ground wire from the radar module to the ground GPIO pin of the ESP32. Now take the white TX wire from the radar module to the GPIO 4 pin on the ESP32. Finally, take the blue RX wire from the radar module and connect it to the GPIO 5 pin. Now that you know how to wire it together, let's look at the code I've written for it. For this part, you'll need to download Arduino IDE if you don't already have it. The source code is written in C+ with HTML embedded in it. This code is ready to flash to the ESP32 right out of the box. Just connect to your machine via USB to UART cable. Lines 4 and 5 contain the Wi-Fi credentials you'll need to connect to the heads-up display. Once the code has been uploaded and the ESP32 powered on, look for the access point and connect to it. Now open a web browser and enter 192.168.4.1 into the address bar and you'll be taken to the heads-up display of the radar. I've already built a custom case for this example out of 2 old Wi-Fi router cases. Just be sure not to use anything metallic or you might distort the radio waves for the radar. The radar is fully deployable for remote application as long as you have a 5V battery pack. Let's try it out. As you can see, I've added several features to the radar, including proximity alerts and tones that change in pitch, depending on how close or far the subject is from the radar. Thanks for watching. You can find all the project details and links in the description below, or by going to github.com/ContrarianDev/STALKER.